Heavy-duty 2D cell flashlight. For task and emergency lighting. Powerful, projecting beam focuses simply by rotating the head. Self-cleaning 3-position rotary switch. On, off, and signal. High-strength aluminum alloy case. Top reviews from the United States. It's well made, it's a Maglite. Maglite makes an awesome flashlight. This one was modified a little to weaponize it, kind of like the Trump impeachment, by adding a 5000 lumen LED replacement, tempered glass lens, glass-breaking tail and a crenellated strike bezel and high-output batteries. I mounted it under the dash of my Jeep in case somebody decides to rob me or injure me. If I can't blind them, I can whack them alongside the head. If they get money from me, they will have earned it.